Hi, this is Subuna, Assistant Professor, Department of IT, Government College of Technology. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about operations of dictionary in Python programming. Introduction. Dictionaries are kind of a compound type, Python's built-in mapping type. They are called associative arrays since they are associate a key with a value. The empty dictionary is denoted by empty curly brace. A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable and indexed. This is a syntax to create an empty dictionary. It is created using two ways. Either a dictionary is assigned with the empty curly brace or using a function called dict. By calling a function dict, the empty dictionary get invoked. Now we discuss this using a online compiler coding ground. First I am defining a dictionary dict1 using an empty curly brace. Then just print dictionary1 . Then execute. It shows the result as an empty dictionary. The same thing is created using another method, d equal to dict_of. Here the dictionary is created. Next, just I am printing the dictionary d. Yes, here two empty dictionary get created. First using a empty curly braces, second using a dict function. Next, I am going to initialize a value for a dictionary. Already I created two empty dictionaries, so use those dictionaries to assign a value for it. It is a pair of values. First we have to define a key. Next, we should specify the value for a key. Then the second key is k2. Value for a dictionary is 2. Just I am assigning two key value pair for a dictionary d. Print it. Then execute this set of statements. Now it will show the dictionary contains two things, two elements, k2 and k1 with the values. Next, I am going to show how the new value is added to the dictionary. Suppose I want to add the one more element k4 to the dictionary, then which will use to assign using a square bracket. Now I am printing the dictionary d. Execute it. Now it shows the newly added value k4 is added in the already available dictionary d. Next, I am going to remove an element from a dictionary. For this, just I am using pop function with a specified key value. Here I am using a k1. So the key value pair k1 get deleted. This will be checked by printing the dictionary. Now see, the key value pair k1 get deleted, so the result shows only k2 and k4. Next, I am going to print the list of keys which is available in the dictionary. Keys equal to d1, dictionary is d dot. We have a function called keys to get the dictionary keys. Next, use any one of a loop to print each key in keys. So print key. Because now the dictionary has only two values, k2 and k4. Here I am using only keys printing, so k2 and k4 are the keys. Similarly, the values of a dictionary also get printed values equal to dictionary dot the function values as like that of a previous case, that is for getting a key values. Here is also we are using for loop, just print value that is get in the previous step. Now execute it, which will shows the values associated with the keys K2 and K4. These are the 2 and 4. And next, suppose we have a duplicate element in the dictionary, then I show how the duplicate get removed. First, we create a duplicate element in the dictionary. Here K2, print D, then execute it. Now it will shows. Up to this, the basic operations of dictionaries, that is creating a empty dictionary, assigning a value for a dictionary and adding a new element into the dictionary, how to remove it from the dictionary, how to get the keys and values of a dictionary, and printed it as discussed. Before discussing the next removing a duplicate and merge operation, we just go through the slides which is demonstrate the operations of a dictionary. How the remove key from a dictionary works. We have created a dictionary, then use a pop operation to remove an element from a dictionary. This is the already we discussed in the executed example. Get a list of keys and a list of values. Then this is the next operation which we are going to do. This is remove duplicate values from a dictionary. For that, the first dictionary has a values. In the second dictionary is the destination dictionary, which is going to use to store the elements, that is key value pairs which is present in D1, is copied to D2 with the unique values. If there is a duplicate, that is skipped for the copying operation. So for key value in D1 dot items, if value not in D2 dot values, that is the value is not available in D2, then only the value is key value pair is copied to the dictionary D2. Then finally you print D1 and D2. Now we discuss how it is work with the we execute the code which is just discussed in the previous slide in using an online compiler of a Python programming. Here the dictionary D1 have a set of values which has a duplicate value 1 for a key. Then D2 is an empty dictionary. Now we are using the set of statements, for statement to get a key value pair from a dictionary D1. If the value is not present in a D2, just copy the value, then print both the dictionaries. After executing this code, you will see the result, that is the first dictionary shows with the duplicate values, then the second dictionary D2 print which are without a duplicate value F1, key value F and the value is 1 because the value is already existed in the dictionary D1. Next we discuss about merging of a two dictionary. For the merging operation, we require a two dictionary D1 and D2. Using a copy function, the third dictionary D3 is created. Just copy the content of a dictionary D1 into D3. Then update the content which is available in D3 with the second dictionary. So first copy the content of a D1 to D3 with the content of a D3, that is it has now a D1 content. So update with the content of a D2. This is how the merge operation will works. These are all the methods used in a dictionary. Clear method, which remove all the elements from the dictionary. Copy method, return a copy of the dictionary. From keys, returns a dictionary with the specified keys and values. Get, return the value of the specified key. Items, return a list containing a tuple for each key value pair. Keys, return list containing the dictionary's keys. Pop, remove the element with the specified key. Pop item, remove the last inserted key value pair. Set default returns the value of the specified key. If the key does not exist, insert the key with the specified key value. Update updates the dictionary with the specified key value pass. Values returns a list of all the values in the dictionary. Thank you.